What we're going to make today is some steel cut oats that you can eat on throughout the week to keep your energy up. So before anybody's mouth starts watering, let's get started. Add some boiling water. Put the lid on top and just let them cook inside. That's all you need to do. Next, you're going to cut all your fruit up. We're going to make some apple, cinnamon, banana, oatmeal for the week. Before I forget, make sure to add some salt to those oats. So as you can see, the oatmeal has absorbed most of the liquid, most of the water, okay? You're gonna go ahead and, while the oats are hot, you're gonna take a spoon, and you're gonna add your coconut oil. And you're gonna go maybe 2 tablespoons or so. Get off of there. Get off. Get you some good fat in there. Everybody loves some good fat in their oatmeal. Then you're going to take your peanut butter. Any kind of peanut butter that you like. Get you about a good healthy tablespoon of that in addition. You're going to mix that all around. Once that's all mixed in, go ahead and add your yogurt. Again, whatever you want. I have this organic dairy-free cashew yogurt with vanilla, and it is just a delight. I am dairy-free and love it. Go ahead and add about a half a cup of yogurt. Then add you a little bit of cinnamon. Maybe a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Next, you're going to add your almond coconut milk. About another half cup or so. Remember, it's going to absorb more overnight. Next, you're going to add in your sweet leaf stevia packets. Got about 5 of them here. Then, add all your fruit. And stir and combine. I hope you guys learned something and also had some fun. What we made today is our apple cinnamon oatmeal, and we made that for the whole week. So we don't have to think about breakfast and we can keep our energy up. So after it's all done, just pop the lid on, put it right in the fridge. So if you guys want to see more of me and my recipes, subscribe below and smash that bell so you won't miss an episode. Until next time, keep cooking and we'll see you later.